Anglerfish. Anglerfish, anglerfish, glowing deep where it's dark all day. B is for buffalo. Buffalo, buffalo, stomping strong along the way. C is for clam. Clam, clam, hiding tight beneath the sand. D is for duck. Duck, waddling by the water's land. On the water's land. E is for emperor penguin. Emperor penguin. Sliding fast across the ice. F is for frog. Frog, jumping high and catching flies. G is for garfish. Garfish, long and shiny in the sea. H is for hedgehog, rolling up so carefully. I is for Iriomote Cat. Iriomote Cat, hiding in the forest trees. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish, lifting with the ocean breeze. K is for kitefish. Kitefish, floating gently side to side. L is for lynx. Lynx with furry paws and silent stride. M is for mako shark. Mako shark, fastest fish beneath the blue. N is for nightjar. Nightjaring when the day is through. O is for oyster. Oyster, making pearls so pure and white. P is for panther. Mickey steps in moonlight bright. Q is for quiet, climbing waters deep. R is for red panda. Curled up in a treetop sleep. S is for sunfish. Sunfish, wide and flat beneath the tide. T is for tapir. Sniffing softly by the side. U is for Uriel. Uriel, climbing cliffs so wild and steep. V is for velvet worm. Velvet worm, crawling slow in forests deep. W is for Ross. Rosse, colorful and quick to dot. X is for Stingray. Kingeray and Blu-ray, with its spots a work of art. Y is for Yappy. Yappy, digging deep in muddy ground.